here to our channel. Today we are going to be removing this carpet and replacing it with some lino that we got from Bunnings. So first of all, we're going to get all this stuff out and then we're going to cut it all out. So obviously we're not going to move the piano because it's too heavy. And then we're just going to cut all the carpet out, and yeah, we'll show you all this step by step. So watch to the end of the video to see how much better it looks. Okay, so first of all, what we're going to be doing is we're going to cut the carpet out. We're going to cut all around it, just all around the room, and yeah, so we can start now. Okay, so now we have ripped up basically all over the carpet. We'll do that later, but now what we're going to do is we're going to take off the skirting boards a little bit.
Okay, now that we've ripped the skirtings out and the carpet, we're just going to give it a quick vacuum. We're just going to go into and put the self-adhesive oak planks lining. What we're going to do is we're just going to put it all over the floor here. As you can see, we've just cut this at 45 degrees. We're just going to stick it in that.
Okay, so we found a strategy to put your lino in. It's very easy. We call it the banana technique since we curve it like banana. So what you want to do is you want to put it nice and easy on there without any gaps. And then you bend it and then you slowly push it down.
Beautiful, man. Look at that, you're a pro.
And I don't even think there's any gaps anywhere. No gaps at all. Okay, now we have got the last strip. It has been around 3 hours, and if you look, we have done the entire room and the last piece. Right.
Okay, so we've got into the last part of this room and this job for this project, and we're just going to measure how long the skirting board is going to be.
Okay, so the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be cutting the skirting boards, and we're going to cut it at 45 degrees. We're going to put the angles at 45 degrees. Alright, and make sure that you have some protection for your face and nothing can go into your face. So always safety first. Alright, so now what we're going to be doing is we're going to put it there. Alright. should be good.
Yep.
Okay, so now we're gonna be using some liquid nails to nail the skirting boards onto the side here.
We have finally finished this room. It has taken half a day to do. We finally ripped out that old disgusting carpet, added new lino in, did the skirting boards, got brand new ones, moved around the whole area, painted, and yeah, it looks great. Definitely a lot better than it was before.